So y'all, I bought this wig for my birthday and I will put the details in the description box. So this is how this wig came right out of packaging. So first glance and first review when taking out this wig out of the package is that it was really soft. And I tell you, the hair is soft. It's really soft. It's like an angel's wings. First it's soft. And the next thing was the lace is transparent lace. So the lace is extremely nice. It's really nice. And the smell is not a bad smell. It's like smell like dolly hair. So I burnt it just to make sure it's 100% human hair, and it was. So the only thing I was kind of frightened about is the teapot. So it was not a full lace. It's like a teapot. So which meaning the hair to the hairline is left out, is lace, and the middle part is lace. Everything else is wig. So yeah. And the next thing, if you're in Trinidad and you're looking for somebody to slay your wigs on them, Sherlock's lace is the man for the job. He always does my installs and he does them really nice. He's very down to earth. So you all get at him. He's really a professional. He's a perfectionist. I love it. I love it. So this is the first time I actually bought an Amazon wig, and it is worth it. It came up to $57 US, but it was on a sale. But I will put the link in the description so y'all will go see it. This wig is worth every penny. I must say that. But y'all seeing this lace? This lace is transparent lace, so you're getting a good piece of lace on this wig. Y'all, this lace is really nice. I was feeling myself with this lace. Feeling like a bad bitch, girl.
I really was worried about the teapot thing now. It's really not that big of an issue.
So the next thing I really loved about this wig, it is snugged. So I can use it as a glueless wig. So I can just spray some fixed spray and throw on this wig and get out the house, you know. I love this wig. Listen, this wig had me feeling like a bad bitch. Like, install done. I am really happy about this wig. Hey, when you get good friends, is that what we're talking about?
Yeah, do good everything.
Now boy, I swear.
Everything good up.
Ooh, I'm going. Hey. Yes, we're going home and we're going and catch it. We're going to have real fun, you know. It's our vibes.
This is